How do you buy electricity tokens in Kenya using M-Pesa? I'll be showing you how to do this using two ways, using your SIM toolkit as well as your M-Pesa app. So let's get right into it. The first method is using your SIM toolkit that is found on either your smartphone or your Katululu. It comprises of just a few simple steps and I'm going to show you how to do so. Head over to your SIM toolkit and select M-Pesa. Then select Lipa na M-Pesa. Select the paybill option that is found at the top, and now on the business number you're going to put 5 8s and 1 0. Makes sense? I mean 888880. Is that 5? Wait. 888880. That is the business number for KPLC. Then on the account number you're going to put in your meter number that is found on your token meter. Here it is. Then type in your meter number. It's usually, I think, about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, around 11 to 12 digits, I guess. I'm not sure. Then select the amount that you want to pay for, input your PIN and click OK. And in just a few minutes you'll receive two messages, one from M-Pesa confirming the transaction and the other one from KPLC that contains the token digits that you're supposed to input here. Then click OK, and now you'll have paid for your electricity bill. The second method is using the M-Pesa app, and one of the things I like about using the M-Pesa app over the SIM toolkit is that when you buy the tokens for the first time using the M-Pesa app, it keeps a record of the meter number that you are buying the tokens for. Therefore, you do not have to keep inputting the meter number every time you need to buy tokens. Once you log into your M-Pesa app, head over to the Pay tab. Then select bills, and most probably you'll see a tab called electricity. I think it's at the top there. Select on it, then select KPLC prepaid, not postpaid but prepaid. The prepaid is the one that contains the account number 858 and 10. Then enter your account number, which is your meter number if you're buying the tokens using the M-Pesa app for the very first time. Then enter your amount, verify either using your fingerprint or your PIN. Then you'll receive a message as well from KPLC and from M-Pesa app or M-Pesa. Enter the token numbers that you have received from KPLC and boom, let there be light. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one.